Welcome to SQN Chodagu. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Chodagu puzzle on March 28, 2022. 5 star Chodagu. Third row and fourth row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th grade we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row only 3 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 9. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column D we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C and 7th row we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C we have 4. Then 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Eighth row only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. Column E we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. 2nd row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row we have 9. And 5th grade also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 3. It will come in another 2 cells, 3 cells, and 5. 4 numbers are remaining. We will confirm later. Column E, column F. and fifth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. Sixth grade, we have 2, 1, 6. So 2, 1, 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in other 2 cells. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Second row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row and column G we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 2, column F also we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in other 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F we have 3 and 7, so 3 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in other 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here, since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Third row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Third row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Third row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 1 is here, 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.